Okay, so today I'll basically be explaining how I memorized the unit circle. And well, to start off, I had to remember the the way it goes. So quadrant one has 0 through 90, so it's 0, 30, 45, 60, and 90, and it goes by 15, 15, and then 30. So it goes 30, 15, 15, 30, and then the same thing here, 30, 15, 15, 30, and then 30, 15, 15, 30, and so on and so forth. And that's how I figured out the inner circle at first. And then the second circle, which would be pi over 3, pi over 4, pi over 6. It's basically a formula that I was taught by a friend, and it's 30 times pi over 180. And so basically it's the degree times pi over 180, and you'll get that simplified to pi over 4 and pi over 3 and so on all of them. And lastly, the last circle, I came upon to realize that all the numbers were basically the same, except, well, depending on the quadrant you're in. So for example, this one is positive, positive. This one would be negative, positive. This one's negative, negative, because the x and the y are both negative, and this one's positive and negative. And also what I learned about this was that the 1 in all of them, it's not under a radicand, so it's always going to be without the radicand. And on the positive side, it goes 1, 2, 3, and then 3, 2, 1, and then you come down here, it's 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. And then over here, it's negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, and then negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, and negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, and then negative just 3, 2, 1, and they're all over 2. And that's basically how I memorized it. It wasn't that hard.